how to make a freshly made fruit salad in minutes to fend off snacks that contribute to the evil freshman or fall 15 and get a delicious win towards your Bachelor of Eating Well this week. Find a can opener, knife, and Tupperware container. Open a can of pineapple chunks and a can of mandarin oranges. Pour in the container. Do you have seedless grapes? Perfect. Have them, add them to the party. Peel and slice a kiwi if you won't break out in hives or worse from eating kiwi. Yeah, it's a thing. Peel and slice a large banana. Don't worry, we're going to prevent those slices from going brown in a second. By the way, I'm sure you can remember this all, but if you'd like to download and save the recipe, you'll find it in the description below. And we're back. Dig out the honey. Does it say pasteurized or unpasteurized? A beekeeper would tell you unpasteurized is better. Maybe for next time. For now, add 1 tablespoon. Locate the limes for weekend bevies. Time for some fun. Can you juggle 2? How about 3? Cut one in half and squeeze the juice from half of the lime into the container. That will help keep the banana slices from turning brown. Dig out the orange juice. 1/4 cup is all you need, and perfect. Cover, shake, and chill. Now you have a healthier, tastier, and freshly squeezed option to fend off snacks like these that can creep up on you like the freshman or fall 15. Will you make it? Leave a comment or post a photo of your version on Instagram and tag College Recipe Cafe. Feel free to share your juggling skills as well if you like. Congrats, your Bachelor of Eating Well this week is now just a fruit salad away. Happy cooking!